you do the seaside item market? See, expands around the 31st. How do I do it? Just how? How? Should I like expand this? Where's my torch? I think I can put down this twister thingy now. Yeah. I can. You better hurry up or else I'm gonna sue you. Just kidding, I don't have enough money for suing that. Who cares? Yeah, I don't care. I don't care. Go. Do your work. Do it. Do it. Use all of them. Use all. Yay! Done! I can now upgrade this. How long does this take? How long does this take? One day. OMG. I cannot. What? Just that? No! Why would I want to purchase? Let's just see. Designs are musical. Yes. Here's story mode. 12, 13, 17. Beast used episode 7 and 30. Castle's delight. Ooh. That looks absolutely amazing.
Revenge brought me here.
Revenge brought you here. Oh, what a shame. Can't help it. Also, guys, this is my favorite cookie. She definitely so hard. Definitely. Definitely so hard. So super duper hard. Duper hard. Hard. Definitely hard. Duh. I want the best cookie of all. Shadow cookie, of course, who doesn't want him? But I only got one soul stone. The turtle sugar cookie soul stone. And 3 of Shadow cookie. And 3 of Dark Cacao. And 16 of holly berries. I need 4 more. 2 of black pearl cookie. 5 of sea fairy cookie. 3 of strawberry cookie, 8 of pitaya dragon cookie, 13 of camellia cookie, 10 of elderberry cookie, and capsaicin cookie. I only got 19. I need 1 more. Oops, 18. No, for stardust. I only need 2 more. But 12 for clotted cream. 8 more, and this is just peppermint. 3. Oh, holy. Okay, I'll show you guys all of my cookies. You know, whatever voice lines they literally have. Yeah, start.
Everything will return. Flower.
Dang.
The most refined cultures are the most delightful to devastate.
Yep.
Healing is my specialty.
Of course. You wish I knew cookie owner.
All that shines belongs to my kingdom. I've been granted a second chance.
The winds of life are calling me.
Have no fear. All shall follow the will of nature.
Burn bright.
Tell me about your trees.
Love this.
We could reach an accord if the profit is mutual.
Never again will I fall for the tricks of two-legged cookies.
You don't have legs. That's the thing.
I want to see every corner of the world.
Here, go on.
Concert is on air and live. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. Flowers makes me hungry.
Yep. Okay.
True love awaits me.
Yeah. No. Sorry, no.
I live to make bright dreams come true.
Oh, this is the bride.
Has guided me.
Yep,
Hear
definitely.
that? My bounty's rising. Lies and trickery conjure up the perfect world of delusion.
Must protect my friends.
Who are your friends?
I'll handle any complaints about the high street.
Where did I go wrong?
I love it when it's cold.
Yes, listen to what I say. Only pop.
Ready?
Yes, coffee and ice cream is the answer to everything.
Follow me, everyone.
Everyone.
Staying inside all day will only weaken your dough.
You sure? Cause I don't have any dough on my hands, or feet, or body, or head.
Rise up, crunchy soldiers!
I love how he said crunchy soldiers, like he has tasted them before or bite them before.
Rainy days have their charms as well.
Hi, Herb Cookie.
I smell wickedness.
Okay.
Be careful beyond the city walls.
Why?
Mystic Flower Cookie will protect us all.
Protect with the two thingies, you know, the two lines. Yeah, I'll show. Okay, so it's this thing, you know. These Also, I'm gonna spam a bunch of things that I know. We are forsaken. We are forsaken. We are forsaken. We are forsaken. Done. Aw, dang it. No. More things. We are forsaken. 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 Ye were Yes, that's it. Just let me just continue. Yeah, done.
Oh,
Protect.
Mic test. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, very, very wholesome. Thanks.
Silence.
Breathe in the incense of the endless night.
Okay.
No two stars in the world are the same.
more errors in the cheese storage?
The strength of one's ideals is proven in the game of politics.
Choo-choo! I'm your train conductor.
He sounds so
I
good.
won't listen to what I can't understand.
History!
Writing a thesis was fun, but I'm not eager to write another.
They're out of perfume sachets? I'm so happy I can fly!
Wait, let's do this one again.
Not all cookies are as talented as me. I'm so happy.
Another incident? Where?
We fairies live longer than most cookies.
We fairies live longer than most cookies, yeah.
Don't let my charm get you. Hear a snow lion's cry. A blizzard is coming.
There.
With this sword by my side, I can defeat anyone in my way.
Okay.
This eye can see in the darkest dark.
What do?
That? No. No thanks.
You are not allowed to the monastery.
Behold the healing powers of light.
Wait. I have an idea. Yeah, I either upgrade her
Stars guide you through your dreams.
50.
I shall meet you in my dreams.
Dream of the night sky. Of course. I know. Does he not have a crystal gem? Does he not have a crystal gem? Why don't they have crystal gems? He this crystal gem could just be this green thingy on top of his head. You see? You literally see? I know Fire Spirit doesn't have any, but it could be this round thingy. Oh wait, no, round thingy here in his, staff thingy. Yeah.
Frozen life will shatter and rain upon these
Hers
lands.
could be like this thingy right here.
I have seen
Hers
your
could be
dreams.
like a star, but in this case, all of them are just like this.
There is more that
See?
lies within
This
these
candy
frozen walls
looking
besides silence
thing.
and
Don't burn your.
have you seen?
It's my
My God! Don't my you. I hope it. My shield gives me strength.
Yeah, right.
Bounty hunting makes me some coin.
Don't you dare hurt the forest! Don't you dare!
I was never gonna do that.
dealing with something. Then tell me. I'm with you till the end of the line.
Time to blow things up!
What's so serious? Just enjoy the show.
The sea guided me to my lady. 'Twas fate.
Can I tempt you with a special beverage?
Whoops! Gonna block that.
I will bow to me.
My ties to Hollyberry Cookie go way back.
Don't you want to know what it's like to be under my spell?
My sword carries my family's legacy.
Dark Enchantress Cookie has a grand vision. My loyalty to the Guardian is my loyalty to the kingdom.
No ice cakes today.
Can we ask you for a
Favor. Dad, what, Kidoki?
Your troubling will make my life complex. Learn to protect yourself.
We have to savor each sip.
I shall destroy everyone who stands in his way.
I'll venture out once more, like Dings. Visit our village. It's a cozy place. Try thinking outside the box. Okie dokie. All packed and ready to go.
Set your eyes on your goal. My peach garden lies high up, above the clouds.
There's no such thing as an unimportant story.
My mirror shows many reflections. I'll keep the peace in this forest.
No need to fear. I am here.
I have no trouble running.
I wonder what's over there.
We must not give in to doubt.
What's a procession? Well... Oh, I just finished a new formula! Acorn jellies are the best!
The dragon will tremble in fear.
Yeah. Hope we find some rare metals.
God, stupid map.
Don't leave me here alone! Someone has to grow these jellies!
I do whatever I want. This world could use more color.
Yeah, you do it yourself.
Let's play! I know a fun game!
Okay.
Adventures? Awesome!
Do we really have to go there?
Woo-woo.
A magical challenge? Bring it on!
1,000 push-ups.
I will not disappoint.
You can run, but you can't hide.
I will do my best.
Yep, that's all. Back to the point. So, do I have to expand it like to here, or do I just try to do it, because I don't know how. Okay, I need to do it so I can just do this seaside item market thing. Trade at the seaside item market 5 times. I haven't even done a single. Heck, I don't even have one. How do you do this one too? Yeah. These are the questions. How do you do the seaside item market and this thing? Whatever it's called. Yeah. How?